I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo983 here. Alright, so first of all, I want to say Happy New Year. Welcome to 2018. But right now, let's get back to trading. Alright, I hope you had a good time with your family, friends, and I hope you had time to recover from any losses or with the tax, got everything prepared from 2017. I hope you had a good year in 2017, but right now it's New Year 2018. So let's jump right back into trading and let's do this. Let's have a good year. Alright, so first of all, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the bell sign next to it to get notifications. And also, Robinhood is coming out with web platform and options trading this year. They said early 2018, but if you're already a gold member, you'll get early access like me. So it might be coming in like a couple of weeks, maybe end of this month. I'm not really sure, but I am on the wait list, but I am a gold member. And go ahead and click this icon right here on my channel. That's the Robinhood referral. We'll both get a free stock, and as you can see after it loads up, that will give you a random stock after you sign up. And if you want to avoid the 25k rule for pattern day trading, go ahead and join Use Stock Trade. They have no pattern day trading, so you can trade much as you want. So this is the Robinhood referral. Just go ahead and click this and you can sign up there. Use Stock Trade is really good. It's for, as I've said, it's for the day trading. It's like kind of like Robinhood, but they do have the web platform and the app. It's a really fast execution, and they have dark pool trading, which means it's like an alternative trading system, as you can see right here. So if you want to avoid the day trading rule, you have more trades, you're more experienced, go ahead and do this. Only thing is they have dollar per trade commission. Last thing, if you haven't been using this already, I've been showing this in almost every one of my videos. It's Thinkorswim platform. Go ahead and click that link over there. Alright, so let's look at the markets. They've been really strong. For the past years, they've always closed like pretty low, or it's just for the tax loss selling. The multimillionaires and people want to jump down in the bracket, don't want to get taxed. That's why they sell off at the end of the year. They also want to show that they have profits and losses. You can look up how the market works and read up on that later. But right now I'm just going to go over, just do a quick recap of the S&P 500. So as you can see, it went up really high, and then on Friday, they didn't drop until like Friday afternoon or like until last couple hours. As you can see right here, Friday 3 p.m. Yeah, the power hour. They fell, and then after market they closed a little low. But that's just profit taking, and it always happens. Usually what happens is, if you go back here, let's zoom out, they usually have like a huge decline throughout the week, like the last week of the year. But markets are really strong right now, and they're going to continue until like April, May. That's my prediction. And then we might see a pullback, or a big pullback actually. There might be a small pullback coming up soon, but right now the markets are really hot. They're really strong. They're bullish. So it's really good. Jump in right now. If you look at today, they opened right here around 267s, and they just kept running up. I saw this with SPY, and let's look at another one. Like all the ETFs are going up, and right now I'm in Square. That's SQ. As I've showed in my previous video, my last video of 2017, I showed you how Square is going to recover this year. I'll show you that right after I go through this ETFs. So these ETFs are going up. This had a huge breakout of today. I got the breakout alert. I didn't take it because I was focusing on my day trading that I started. But it just went up from 73.50s to 75, 76. Another good one is SOXL. That's for the semiconductor ETFs like Micron, Nvidia, all the computer chips, all the tech stuff. And this has went up This went up like more than 10 points just because of Baba. That's BABA. This is Alibaba website. This is a China website, so this has just been going up like crazy. It had a really good recovery. I called this out on past couple videos that it was going to go up it was a really good buy in the 170s. Then, as you can see now, it's 174. It ran all the way from like 176 to 184. That's been going up. Apple, AMD, all of those have been going up. It's crazy. So let's jump back into Square. I talked about this in my last video. I showed you how I was down on it. I got in high. I guess you can say I was a little greedy, and I was being a little stupid. I didn't follow my stop losses. I thought it would recover, but it just kept falling and falling, and I averaged down, and finally the year ended, and now it's time to buy. So if you haven't bought this already, it's a great time to get in. Jump in, zoom in over here, jump in below like 38. That's a really good entry. Anywhere above 38, between 38 to 39, that's going to be a definite confirmation. So that's definitely a buy. As you can see, the support and the resistance level, 3867 right there. That's moving average. So once you cross this line, it's definitely a buy. So right now I got my buy alert here around, zoom in over here, at 35.55 today. Because it's just been going up, and once I get my breakout alert, I might add more. Or my average is 42 right now, so once I hit that, I'm gonna take off some shares, sell some, and then just ride the rest. I have a lot of shares right now. My average is around 42, so I average down to 42. So I'm just gonna see how that goes. I got really good prediction for this. It's going to be doubling this year. Definitely going to be around 50, 60, like high 60s by the end of the year easily. So we should see a big run up in Square in January, February, and then later on I'll look to get out of it, and I just want to break even at this point. And once I do, I'm going to sell a majority of the shares and then ride the rest. And then I'm going to get back into ETF investing as I unload shares. Like I showed you my how to invest $1,000 video. If you haven't watched that, go ahead and see that video. That's not just for 2017 or 2018. That's for the rest of your life. That's going to be ETF investing. You want to make passive income. Alright, so this is one of them. QLD. This is really good. One of my favorites, actually. It fell to around 73, 74s, and right now it's almost at 76. So as you can see, like, markets are really strong. As soon as they drop, people are just buying them back up. So as soon as they drop, they're going right back up. Markets are super strong. So if you aren't taking advantage of this right now, go ahead and do that. We probably won't be seeing a pullback for another couple months. Maybe like around summertime, like around May, June, there might be a huge pullback there. But right now, markets are really strong. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button on my channel, and go ahead and click the bell next to it to be notified of my new videos. Then thanks for subscribing and watching my videos. I hope 2018 is a good year for you guys. I'm definitely going to have a good year. I've been getting really good experience and getting a lot of knowledge just from the chart reading on Thinkorswim and just trading. I feel like I have a confident base right now. So I have really good hopes for 2018 and got a good feeling that it's going to be a game changer. Alright guys, hope you guys have a good year. Message me or leave any comments if you have any questions or what type of videos you want to see. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care.